This is going to be so incredibly refreshing. Bottoms up. Holy What's going on, everybody? My name is John Serwin and this is my kitchen. Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I made this, one of the most refreshing drinks you'll ever have, Brazilian lemonade. Show you the techniques and how it's done coming up. Stay tuned. To make up our sweetened condensed milk, we are going to use two ingredients that, most people have. We have some whole milk, and instead of sugar, we're going to use some honey. So I'm going to do 3 cups of milk, 1 cup of honey. And I'll show you my little trick. I like to do things by weight, but if you don't have a food scale and you have to do something that's like, viscous like honey, or something that's solid like mayonnaise, things that are difficult to get out of a measuring cup without like a spatula or something. So I am going to take 3 cups, pour 3 cups of milk into here. That way it's all covered in milk, and then do 1 cup of honey. Honey will go to the bottom, but it won't be as hard to get everything out. There's our 3 cups. Well, you know what? I might be a little shy. This is also why I like to go by weight, because it's hard to always see when you're at exactly 3 cups. All right, I think we're there. And now we're just gonna fill up with the honey until we get to 4 cups. I like to replace sugar with honey whenever I can. 9 times out of 10, I'm replacing sugar with maple syrup, agave nectar, or honey. Sugar has its place, don't get me wrong, but if I can replace it with a more natural sweetener, I will. All right, should be right at 4 cups. We're gonna take this over to the stovetop and cook her on down. Over at our stovetop, we have a, 2.5 quart pot, and we are gonna add in our 3 cups of milk and 1 cup of honey. And I don't think this probably worked out. The honey all went to the bottom, so I gotta use a spatula to hopefully get all of this out. But no big deal. Now a little bit of remnants of honey are gonna be stuck in here, which, hey, it is what it is. But that's why if I do weights, I could just put it right on here. Now we're gonna do this onto some medium-low heat, right in between medium and low, and we are gonna kind of simmer this. It's gonna take probably 45 minutes, I would say. We just wanna do this low and slow. We wanna concentrate this down, get it to the consistency of canned sweetened condensed milk. So you can just leave this off to the side, stirring it every, 5 minutes or whatnot. This has now actually been cooking down for about 90 minutes, and I moved it to a smaller vessel to show like it doesn't look thick yet, but it is cooked down by about half. So we are gonna let this cool down, put it into a mason jar, and throw it into the fridge for anywhere from 30 minutes to 2 hours to let it thicken up. Learned my lesson, got myself a funnel. We're gonna pour it on in. This is going into the fridge for 2 hours. To make up our Brazilian lemonade, we're gonna start out 2 limes, and we are going to take the zest of both of these limes. Now, you could zest it by going like this, all the way down, all the way back and forth, but what I've come to notice is if you zest like this, you just pull across the top, you can control it way better. So that's what I'm gonna do. And we're gonna avoid getting this pith, because if you've ever had Brazilian lemonade and it's been a little tart, it's probably because of that pith. Here is 1 lime zested. In the meantime, I'm gonna take my blender and put in 2 cups of cold water. Go ahead and put the zest from one of those limes. And actually what we're gonna do with this second one, we're just gonna roll it, because I do want some of that bitterness. You can kind of control it how you want. On this lime, I'm going to take and just cut off all of the pith. And then this one, I'm actually just gonna quarter. So cut in half, and then actually cut in half one more time, because I do want some of that bitterness, and we're just gonna throw this right into our blender. Here's our lime with all of the pith removed, and this is going straight into our blender. Now into our blender, we have the 2 limes, 1 with the zest and pith removed, and 1 just quartered and thrown in there. We are gonna blend on high for about 30 seconds. Make sure I turn it on first. There we go, 30 seconds later, we're gonna move this off to the side. We are gonna take it and strain it right into our measuring cup right here. Whoop, get this off. So we shouldn't have to strain too much, since we did take the pith out of 1 of the limes. Just gonna go ahead, let that work its way through. In the meantime, I'm gonna grab 1 handful of ice and throw it into our blender here. Just like such. It's a double mesh strainer, so let's move around some of the pulp here to get all the juices out. All right, see, that's some of the pith and pulp left over from the lime. We're gonna discard that, throw our mixture back into our blender here, and it smells incredible right now. This might be more than one serving. Here we have 3/4 of a cup of our sweetened condensed milk going in. Get it all out of there. Back onto the blender for another 30-second run. We just did 10 seconds, let it stop, and we're gonna do another 10 seconds. So just a total of 20 seconds. Bring in a nice glass of ice and pour our mixture on in. This is gonna be so incredibly refreshing. Oh man. And there you are, folks. I'm gonna get a little spoon, mix it up. Lordy, that looks amazing. All right, and there you have it, folks. That is a little homemade Brazilian lemonade. Now, it's made with limes, right? It's lime, sweetened condensed milk, ice, strained out lime zest, lime juice. Why it is called lemonade, from what I understand, is that in Brazilian Portuguese, that's what they speak. The name for lime is this. I'm not even gonna try and pronounce it. But here it is. I wrote it out for you. That translated to English is lemon. So that's why this is called, the translation from the Brazilian Portuguese name translated to English is Brazilian lemonade, but it's made with limes. Yeah, that's a fun, interesting fact that I learned when I wanted to make this. I was actually working a lot outside today, and it is about 95 degrees and 100% humidity, I guess, here in Chicago. So I wanted something incredibly refreshing. I didn't have any sweetened condensed milk on hand, so I'm like, screw it, let's make our own. And that's what we did. It's literally 3 parts milk, 1 part honey. We changed out the sugar for honey. I mean, milk and honey, right? Goes together very well. Homemade sweetened condensed milk, lime juice, lime zest, take out some of the pith, and this is what you have. Nothing left to do but give it the old official taste test. Bottoms up. Holy that is incredibly flavorful. That sweet and tart is perfectly balanced in there. You can mess around, add more sweetened condensed milk, take out some, find the balance that you want in that, but that is fantastic. Man, talk about refreshing. And I swear, you add a little tequila or rum or vodka. If you want to throw in like mint, I mean, that would be a fantastic cocktail. I have some left over, so just shake this up. Good thing I had that close. Shake it up, throw it in my fridge on a hot summer day. That's gonna hit the spot. Simple ingredients just like that. I just wanna jump on here and give you a quick little tutorial of one of the most refreshing drinks you'll ever have in your life. I hope you give it a shot, try it out. It's a twist on regular lemonade. Remember, you're only making food out of ingredients till you sit down and share them with the ones you love. Then it's a meal. All right, folks, thanks for coming by. Greatly appreciate it every single time. Hopefully you got a little use out of this video. Summertime is great for making up drink bases. And then, hey, if you want to add some spirit to it, feel free. Here is a video that YouTube thinks you might like. And here is a video that I think you'd like. And always, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. All right, folks, till next time. Cheers. And as we say in my family, na zdrowie.